Hi, I'm Colleen McFarland, and I'm the author of How to Use People Analytics to Inspire Personal Growth. My book is about how those suffering from loneliness can use their own data and technology to inspire themselves to take action, and the role that their employers can play in this journey. My book's at the intersection of well-being, behavioral health, and data. There's lots of data being collected about us, some of it at work, some of it just out in the world, and it's being used to solve lots of very important problems. It looks at using your personal data and your personal technology to help you identify what are some things that would make you happier. In my book, some of the interviews and research you'll hear will be from data scientists, from human resource professionals, from psychologists, from young people who use social media regularly. It'll also include stories of my own related to personal connections and networking. After a leader reads this book, I hope they realize the potential they have to leverage some of the investments they've already made in technology that can churn data to identify groups of people and meet them where they are and help them solve their problems. Because that very same technology can be used to help many people in their workforce figure out what they need to work on to not only be a better, stronger employee, but also to be a happier person and a more engaged human in the world. You would benefit from this book if you or someone you care about is lonely and not really sure why. This book explores how some of your behaviors with the digital world, if you will, may affect how you interact with people just out in the everyday world. So this book could give you some insight into, maybe there are some things that I could embrace differently and some ways that I could go about making some changes that would help me be happier. You'd also enjoy this book if you manage people or are a human resources officer in a company that's wondering what's going on with the youngest workers. Why are they missing work? Why are they struggling in situations that are more variable, like in-person meetings? Why are they anxious about getting on the telephone? Hi, my name is Colleen McFarland, and I'm the author of How to Use People Analytics to Inspire Personal Growth.